To Adventures with C3, and today in this video we are doing the milk truck. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh wait, shh, 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 shh. The baby is asleep. I repeat, the baby is asleep. Okay, let's get to it.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
are you excited to try this food truck?
Mm-hmm.
What are your expectations?
Goopy cheese and a sandwich.
You okay there?
Yeah.
Did you get attacked?
Probably, yeah.
Did that tree jump out and get you? So you expect goopy cheese.
And 2 slices of bread. Yep.
Okay, and you expect what?
Pork.
Pork?
I got pork.
You got pork. That's it? You get anything else? They're just gonna give you a slab of pork.
Cold pork. Yeah.
Is it a sandwich?
I don't know.
Okay. He's out. Rough day, huh?
It's chocolate milk all over his face.
You're a good mom.
No, he has a great aunt that spoiled him.
Thank you. Have a great day.
It does.
Delicious. All right, so let's try the gourmet grilled cheese first.
Okay. This it.
The one with the cheese, yes.
This is so good. Okay.
All right, let's try the barbecue, the KC melt, I think.
Casey melt with the ranch or the
Pulled pork.
It's really good.
Casey melt, and it has the slaw, but we put that on the side.
Coleslaw.
And then I'm gonna try the buffalo chicken melt. That's really good too.
How's the mac and cheese, guys?
So mac and cheese.
Okay. 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. That's really good. It's really good. Yeah.
And then you can upgrade each sandwich to include mac and cheese, or each sandwich comes with your choice of chips too instead.
Does that mean we can upgrade them like?
Like we could have got 3 containers of mac and cheese for our side.
Oh, okay.
We had to pay a little extra for that, but the chips come with it automatically. And then also, you can upgrade from being normal bread to being gluten-free. They give that option also.
They also, they have they said a keto bread.
Oh yeah, and
option
keto
too.
bread. So they do give some different variations to help whatever lifestyle you are needing to fit at that moment too.
Yeah. The baby is awakened.
Well, let's see what he thinks.
All right, guys. So, what's your favorite?
My favorite is the pulled pork.
Pulled pork, the KC melt. Galen?
Mine is either, I'm pretty sure mine is the cheese one, but I think it's just because the mood I'm in, I like this more.
KC melt?
Yeah.
Kagan, what's your favorite?
I love my water.
What's your favorite food?
I love my favorite.
You like the mac and cheese?
Yeah, sort.
It's good. All right, and what was your favorite?
I like the KC melt.
KC melt. KC melt's a winner, that's for sure. All righty.
What do you like that?
What, buddy?
I love KC milk too.
Oh, you love it too? That's awesome. That's the gourmet grilled cheese.
This.
Yep, that one too.
I want to say thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and comment which food truck video. Food truck we should visit next. Bye.